Okay, this is my x18. As you can see, I took out the motor. I just ordered a motor like 2 weeks ago, and just came in today. As you can see, new motor, double box. I'm about to start opening it up now. Here's the X7. Forks are bent. I ordered some new forks and a carburetor. I bought this one, the X18 and the X19 for $400. So I'm gonna do a lot to this one, the X18. I just bought the new tail light. Plugs didn't match, so I had to do my wiring. I ordered an alarm with remote start, strobe lights, neon. I ordered which I have now, it's a 26mm Makuni carburetor, 26mm intake manifold. But this is the X18 project. Hey, let me just open this up. Oh, I need a razor. Get my little razor over here. Trying to hold this at the same time. Okay, this is going to be pretty difficult like this. Let me see if I can do it this way. It's going to be my first YouTube video on X18. I see a lot of guys doing videos on them. That's where I learned a lot from. So I say, hey, why not give it a chance so everybody can see my progress on my bike. Yeah, this is a 110cc 4-stroke stock motor. But eventually I'm gonna upgrade. You know, it's my first X18. Don't know too much about them. What I learned on eBay or YouTube. A couple of guys there. There it goes. This should be the chain cover for the motor. Sit that there. Yeah, I ordered a whole new set of plastics for the X18. I'm waiting for them on the mail. They should be here by the end of this week. Which today is March 28th, 2012. There it goes. Brand new. Yeah, you know what this is, huh? This is that governor. We are not using this. We want power. And the X19, I'm turning that into a street fighter, just for wheelies and stunts. Oh wow! I didn't expect this. Came with the carburetor. Wow! I thought I was just getting the motor. It came with a carburetor. It was great because I needed one. Because actually, what I did is I took the X18 motor, the one that came. There was nothing wrong with it, but the carburetor was bad. So I took that motor out and put it on the X19. Now I can use this carburetor for the X19. Things just work out. Isn't this great? Can't beat that. Okay, look at this baby. Got the manifold, the bolts. This is coming out to pretty good deal. Look at that, baby. Brand new. Oh. Okay. Look at this. Oh yeah, that was the reason why I originally ordered a new motor, is because the carburetor was bad and the starter was no good. Hold on, I'll be back.